On the peninsula this afternoon, the suspect in the Half Moon Bay mass shooting is back in court today ahead of a scheduled plea hearing for next week. He's charged with shooting 8 of his co-workers, killing 7 of them. KRON 4's Haaziq Madyun is outside the courthouse in Redwood City with the latest from today's proceedings.
Call it a partial win for free speech and the First Amendment, as the judge in the Half Moon Bay mass murder case ruled that she will continue to allow cameras in the courtroom, but she also granted a defense motion for a gag order. Here at the Hall of Justice in Redwood City, in court, the 66-year-old defendant, Chun-Li Zhao, began sobbing out loud as his interpreter translated that Judge Elizabeth Lee denied the defense motion to ban media cameras in the courtroom. Defense attorney Jonathan McDougal argued that there is a concern of a violation of due process and tampering of a fair and impartial jury by allowing these proceedings to be recorded by the media. The prosecution took no position on the matter and left it to the court's discretion. In her ruling, Judge Lee said that she doesn't take lightly the importance of public access to the judicial process and will continue to allow one pool camera and one still photographer. The court did, however, grant the defense motion for a gag order. During his argument, McDougal singled out District Attorney Steve Wagstaff's conduct for previous comments made in the media and asked if the judge could specifically gag the DA. The prosecution argued that the defense's characterization of the DA was inaccurate. Judge Lee also granted a defense motion to deny the public and the media remote access to court documents connected to these proceedings. Chun-Li Zhao is the suspect in the Half Moon Bay mass shootings that took place back on January 23rd of this year. He is facing 7 counts of murder and 1 count of attempted murder. If convicted, he could face the death penalty. In Redwood City, Haaziq Madyun, KRON 4 News.